Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll be telling you how you can add Leonardo AI to Discord in 2025. So first of all, you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to search up Leonardo AI and then you're just going to type in Discord after that. So what you have to do is you have to join their Discord server first. Now click on join Leonardo AI. Now once you have joined their server, you need to fill out a form to be on their waitlist. So you can select all of these, whatever option suits you, then pick a language, click on next, and then click skip if you like, and then click on finish. Now once you have done all of these steps, what you need to do is you need to find out the form that you need to get the access. So over here, as you can see, get access here, you need to fill out all of these forms. Let's go into register first. As you can see, you need to go on this website, which is app.leonardo.ai. You're gonna register yourself over here and then you're gonna fill out their form, and then you will be able to integrate Discord with Leonardo AI. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.